was a rainy afternoon, and little Tutu was feeling bored. He had already built a tower with blocks, colored a big picture, and eaten 2 whole bananas. He looked out the window and sighed. Will the sun ever come out? Just then, poof! A bright rainbow burst through the clouds. Tutu gasped, but that wasn't all. Sliding down the rainbow was a unicorn! She was shimmering pink with sparkling purple hair and glittery hooves. She landed gently in the garden. Whoa, Tutu said, stepping outside. Are you real? Very real, said the unicorn. My name is Luna. I need your help. Tutu's eyes lit up. Of course! What happened? I've lost my magical horn, said Luna. Without it, I can't fly, make rainbows, or sing magical lullabies. Tutu nodded firmly. Then let's find it! They ran through the jelly bean forest, where trees grew candy, and the grass tickled their feet. They climbed Bubblegum Hill, where each step made a boing sound. They crossed a chocolate river on a marshmallow boat. Each place they visited, they helped someone. A grumpy frog who lost his laugh. Tutu told him a joke. A squirrel who couldn't find her acorns. They helped dig. A sleepy bee who forgot how to buzz. They hummed together. Finally, deep inside Cupcake Mountain, they found a shimmering object stuck in frosting. It was Luna's horn, but guarding it was a small, snoring cupcake dragon. Tutu tiptoed. Luna whispered. They carefully reached out, and the dragon opened one eye. Then it yawned and rolled over. Still asleep. With a quiet giggle, Luna picked up her horn and placed it on her head. The moment it clicked, zap! She lit up with sparkles, and the rainbow behind her danced. You helped me believe again, Luna said. Tutu smiled. Magic is fun, but friendship is better. Luna hugged him and said, whenever you feel sad or bored, just look for the rainbow. I'll be there. With a graceful leap, Luna flew back into the sky, and Tutu waved until the last sparkle faded.